Morning students, we will continue the session on files. So coming to character input output functions. Character input output functions. So here getC or fgetC. So this function is used for reading the character from a file. To read one character from a file, we can use getC or fgetC. Another function putC or fputC, it is used to write one character. Write one character into a file. Write one character into a file. So fgetC for reading one character from the file, fputC for writing one character into the file. See here, write a C program to read and write text from or into a file. First, we have to write the text into the file, right? After that, we can read the text from the file. So for that, we need some file pointer. File is the data type, its pointer is *fp. Here fp is the file pointer. fp is the file pointer, right? So now fp equal to fopen of one.txt. So one.txt is the file. One.txt is the file. One.txt. Text file. txt nothing but it's a text file. Its name is one. One is the text file. I am opening this file in writing mode. I am opening this file in writing mode. So it's a new file I am creating. Initially the file pointer points to the beginning of the file. File pointer points to the beginning of the file on opening. So that is fp is the file pointer associated with the file one.txt. So this is the one.txt file. So in that file we are storing the text. So here I am opening this file for writing. So now we are going to write the text into that file. So for that this is the statement. fp equal to fopen of, within the double quotes you mention a file and mode to be opened. Mode. In which mode we are opening? First writing mode. So then the file pointer points to the beginning position. No. Printf enter data. So enter data, right? First read the data from the program. So while see. So the file reads the data from the program. How the program receives the data? From the keyboard, right? First we can read the data from the keyboard. Program can read the data from the keyboard. See, program read the data from the keyboard, right? Later write it into the file. Write it into the file. Again what we'll do is, from the file program takes the data and it will be sent to the monitor. It will be displayed onto the monitor. Right, first see, ch equal to, while ch equal to getChar of is not equal to end of file. So it will read character by character. First I am reading a character w. ch equal to getChar of w. W is not equal to end of file. That means, so it will be executed, this loop will be executed until Ctrl Z is pressed. Ctrl Z. That is end of file. EOF, right? Suppose ch equal to getChar w. Put C of ch comma fp means put the character into the file. So w into the file. Repeat the loop. Again read the character E. Read the character from the keyboard E. So E is not equal to end of file. Then put C, ch comma fp. Put the character into the file. So what is that character? E into the file. Now repeat. So again get char. So L, that is into the CH. CH is not equal to end of file. Yes. Then L will be put the character L into the file. Then repeat C O M E, welcome. So after that, suppose I am pressing Ctrl Z. So the character is Ctrl Z. Now it is the end of file. It represents end of file. So there is, this condition becomes false. Ctrl Z is not equal to Ctrl Z, that is false. Then the control is out of while loop and executes this. After that, F close of FP, file pointer will be closed. So it is stored like this, welcome, welcome, can be stored. So finally end of marker is there, EOF Ctrl Z, right? So F close of FP, so that file will be closed, file will be closed. Right. Next, I want to read the text from the file. Then again, I am opening the one.txt file in reading mode. In reading mode, ft equal to fopen of one.txt. Here R, mode is R. We are opening that file in reading mode. That means read the text from the file. Read the text from the file. C. So to get the character from the file, get C will be used. Get C of fp. That will be stored into the ch. Then that is compared with EOF. So first character C. Here I am opening a file. So this is our file. So welcome. L C O M E. So this is end of file. Here I am opening this file in reading mode again. So file pointer points to, at that time file pointer points to the first character. CH equal to get C of FT. CH equal to get C of FT. So this is the character which can be read from the file, that is assigned to CH, W. It is not equal to the end of file. So then print it onto the monitor. So printf is used to display the data onto the monitor, right? Here the character is to be displayed, W. Then repeat. Then ch equal, now after reading this, the file pointer will be moved. File pointer will be moved to the next character. Get C of fp. So here next character is E. Ch equal to E, which is not equal to the end of file. So print it onto the monitor. So after get C is executed, the file pointer is to be moved here. So like that, L C O M E. Finally EOF. CH is EOF. It is not equal to F, it's false. So then close the file. Then close the file. So after performing the operation, either it is a write or read operation, you need to close the file. So this is about the program. So in that program, what we are doing is, first we are writing the text into the file. So for that, we are opening a file in write mode. So read the character from the keyboard and put it into the file. So after writing the text into the file, from taking the text from keyboard, so we are closing it. After doing it, close the file. So then again open the same file in reading mode. That means just we are reading the text from the file and print it onto the monitor. So after that we can close it. So this is next program. Write a program to copy a file in another name. That means copy the text from one file into the another file. Copy the text from one file into another file. See. For that, we need two files. See. So one file is one.txt file, right? First. So for that, two file pointers are required. I am creating fp1 and fp2. First, I need to write the text into file 1. So that is fp1 is equal to fopen of 1.text. This file can be opened in writing mode. First, the data will be read from the keyboard and put that data into the file. Put that data into the file. After that, I am closing it. So that is 1.text file. See here, what I am doing is, so 1.text file, its file pointer is fp1. Suppose the data which I stored into this file is welcome finally, and the file marker. So after that I am closing it. Now I want to copy the contents of this file into another file 2.text. So I want to copy the contents of 1.text file into 2.text file. That means first I want to open this file in read mode, then I open this file in writing mode. Open the first file into reading mode, second file in writing mode. First fp1 is equal to fopen of 1.text. The mode is reading mode. So this is. So whenever we are opening it in reading mode, the file pointer points to the first character of the file. Next, for the second file, fp2, file pointer is fp2, fopen of 2.text, mode is W. So this file I am opening in writing mode. So whenever we are opening it in a writing mode, the file pointer is pointed the first character of the file. Points to the first character of the file. This is 2.text. Next slide. So here what I am doing is, I am opening first file in reading mode, I am opening second file in writing mode. Now I want to copy the data from this file to this file. So for that, while ch equal to fgetc of fp1. So read the character from the first file. See, this ch is W. It is not equal to end of file. So print it onto the monitor. And also put it into the second file, ch comma fp2. Put c of ch comma fp2 means put that character into the file, into the 2.text file. So W. So after fputc is executed, file pointer fp2 will be moved forward. So now it points to the second position. So repeat this loop again. ch equal to fgetc of fp1. So here also file pointer points to the second character. So next character is e. E is not equal to end of file. Then print it onto the monitor. Then print that character onto the monitor and put that character into the second file. So what is that? E. Right? So after this, so file pointer get advanced. Here also file pointer get advanced. Now repeat the loop. Like that, all the characters will be finally E. So then, when EOF is encountered, so here L, C, O, M, E, EOF is encountered, so then condition becomes false, so it is out of while. It is out of while. So for this also end of file marker will be. So like this, character by character will be transferred from this file to this file, second file. Like that, the contents are copied. So after that, printf file copied successfully. Now, so after operation is completed, you need to close the two files. So first file will be closed by using fclose of fp1. Second file will be closed by using fclose of fp2. Now, so far we have discussed about unformatted I/O functions. Now we are going to discuss about formatting I/O functions. Formatting I/O functions. Formatting I/O functions are fscanf and fprintf. So if the file contains data in the form of digits, real numbers, characters and strings, then a character input output functions are not enough, as the values would be read in the format of characters. So those functions will help you to read and write the characters into or from the file. If you want to store the data like real numbers, integer numbers, strings, if you want to store or retrieve that type of data from the file, we can go for formatting IO functions. So syntax for these functions, so int fscanf is the function. So for that, file pointer, so char star format and so on. So this is the syntax for fprintf. So file pointer, char star format, so on. So these are the syntaxes for fscanf and fprintf. With the help of fscanf, we read either integer data, floating point data, string data, double data from the file. In a similar way, fprintf, with the help of this, we can write integer data, floating point data, double data, string type data into the file. Write a program in C to copy a file in another name, or copy one file into another file using formatted functions. So in the previous program, we have a copy character by character. Here we can copy the numbers. We can copy the numbers from one file into the another file. So for copying, we need two files. So for that, we need two file pointers. Then I am opening a file 1.txt in write mode. As I already said, enter A and B values from the keyboard. So here I am declaring A and B as integers. So just read those values from the keyboard. So this function fprintf. So first one, file pointer. So AB format specifiers are %d, %d, a, b. So in case of printf, just you are using %d, a, b. So when you are using printf, you need to use another argument. That argument is file pointer, right? In which file we are going to write. For that, file pointer is used. Based on this file pointer, the data of A and B will be written into the text file, 1.txt file. Right? So first read the data from the keyboard, A value, B value. Then the data will be put into the file, or write into the file. So after writing operation is completed, close it. Close the file. Now, again I am opening that file in reading mode, and the second file in the writing mode. Second file is 2.txt. Now, so read the data from the first file. So for that, fscanf is used. File pointer is fp1. So %d, %d, ampersand a, b. So with the help of this function, we can read the data from the 1.txt file. 1.txt file consists of the data of A and B. That will be read from the file with the help of fscanf. Next, so after reading it, we can put the data into the 2.txt file. So for that, fprint of fp2, that means writing into the 2.txt file. So the data is A, B. Just it will put it. Next, fp2 of %d, a, b. A value, B value will be written into the 2.txt file. Now the copy operation is completed. So after copying is completed, just we close the two files. Fclose of fp1, fclose of fp2. Right. See, here first I am opening the file one.text, right? So a value is 10, b value is 20, right? Next file fp2, first I'm storing a, b, then a value is 10, b value is 20, and the file mark. Like this, it will be stored. So just the contents of these one.text file will be copied, 10 and 20 will be copied. So this is one.text file and this is two.text file. Copy the contents of one.text file into the two.text file. So for reading and printing the integer values with the help of getC and putC, it is not possible. So for that reason, we are using formatting IO functions. The formatting IO functions are scanf and fprintf. Thank you. We'll continue in the next class.